Hello friend, you are welcome in Google Form series part 8. Actually, there was a no need of part 8, but what happened in part 4, we have discussed about how to give homework online, how to receive it, correct and send it back. In that part, so while receiving the homeworks, where to be correct with the help of any other apps, that was not mentioned. That's the reason I made this part 8. So here, so one additional app we are using for correction of the homeworks. So let us see, I will show you step by steps that how to correct the homeworks online if the student has sent you. For example, the student has sent you the homework with the help of this WhatsApp. Okay, this is my WhatsApp. I will show you one student or any one student will consider. Sorry, here it is. So this is the student. Suppose for example, I got the homework here. So this is one PDF. I'll open it. While opening, here option is given like Word is there, okay, Drive, PDF is there, and WPS Office is there. So I like it is a WPS Office is better. So it has a pencil for the correction. I click here. Okay, once I click here, it get open. Now you will see, so the student has sent a homework in this way. Okay, so how to correct it? Okay, now see, just simply, so when we click here, click on the tool button. Once the tool button is come, then just drag it up. You will find here one more PDF annotation. So click on this PDF annotations. It will made available you some tools. See, these are the tools available on the bottom. These are the tools. Among here, the needful tool is a pen. Okay, so if we take the pen, so see here all the different kind of the pointer will be available. So it is suitable pointer. So select a color and then start correcting. Okay, suppose for example, see if such kind of in line goes, if I read this, so then what I will do, I will just drag it and do the correction. So selecting, okay, this is right point. Okay, then click on the right, and now you can just move it forward. Okay, again then go here, see, click here and do the corrections. See here, like this it is correct. So you have to go through all the points. I am just showing it that how to do it. Again go forward for the next page. Suppose these are the page, again I will select this and okay, I will do the corrections. Okay, suppose for example friend, and I done something here and I don't want by mistake, so I want to rub. Then here select this eraser and just put here, so it will be erase. Okay, eraser is also available. Now suppose I want to put the signatures. Okay, I have corrected this homework and this is what signature and date, suppose 10/7. Okay, whatever is there, and you wrote it is okay, or given any feedback, let it good. Okay, once you given, so once if it is over, then we have to click here and then press on the done button. Okay, once we press it, then actually now we want to send back this result to the student with the help of WhatsApp only. Okay, so how we'll send it? So at the bottom it will come, so just click here. Okay, so some tool will be share options, click here. After sharing on the top here, directly here computer, WhatsApp, everything is the given. Don't click over here, it will take you to somewhere. So just send file, click on the send file, but before sending we have to save it. Okay, so I saved it. Now click on the WhatsApp. Okay, and once you click on the WhatsApp, now go to the student whose that homework was belongs. Okay, I see the student name. See here, I am just searching the name of the student. Okay, so Omkar. Okay, and then you can click over there. Just a moment, because sometime the homework of someone, it may be passed to some others. So I click here. Okay friends, now this is the same student, so this was the homework and this is a corrected copy. So you can write here it is corrected copy. Okay, CO corrected copy and send it, so the student will be confirmed. Now just will come out from there. So our homework is now sent, it is okay, and the student can see. Suppose if you want to see, may I show you once that how our corrected copy look like. Click here. Okay, once we click, again we have to open in that or any other app also. So this is a corrected copy. See, just now we have corrected and send it to the students. So this way we can correct the homeworks very easily within the short times. So it is helpful for correcting the copies and sending. Okay, thank you.